Great America. So today I'm gonna tour you around Great America. This is what the place looks like. Here is the entrance. And in the back is the sign. It says Great America. We got the season pass, so we go now. Guys, we're mabuhat ng pictures. Very hot in here behind me. It's another ride. Before when I came here, it's not really like that. It's not much. But now I guess they added more. A few years later, maybe I haven't come here for maybe 10 years. So there are a lot of rides here. And the water park is there. Maybe we could go there later. So I'm just gonna have a video, okay? So there's Sally over there. Yan doesn't want to see them. So, okay? Go. We're gonna go see a car. Now, Yan? Are you hot, huh? What are you eating? Ice cream? Bumirang na tayo guys kasi ayaw naman niyan na maglaro or mag-ride kasi natatakot siya. Yan, dito na lang tayo sa may swimming pool behind me. Dito rin yung mga paninda. Daan-daan lang tayo. Grabe guys, ang daming tao. Akala ko masisira ng phone ko, hindi siya nag-record. Ano ba yan? Okay, so punta tayo guys sa water area. Ang ganda. Sana makaligo kami pero ayaw naman yan. Ang daming tao. Okay, we're gonna go in this area right here where they're gonna go in there. That's very beautiful too. See guys, ang ganda. Yay! Look at that picture! Yan, they're going up there, then they're gonna going down over here until over there. Grabe crowded.